Hello, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another vlog with the Diaz family. What we're going to be... Go outside please.
Dad was calling you. Someone was calling you. I don't know.
Babe is now here. We are about to head out for the day. We got a couple things to do. We gotta drop off a muffler and also try to see if we can go get a rental because the muffler has to be changed on my Durango and it is in the shop right now, so I am sharing a car with
Your call has
Dad.
been forwarded to an automated voicemail.
Bruh. Okay, he's probably here already, so we're gonna go do that. We're also going to go ahead and do a follow-up with the truck that we were talking about. So let's head on out. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Welcome to the Diaz family. Go ahead and join us. Follow us for more ways to make money. You want to go ahead and explain to us what this piece is? This is a piece that we got to take to the shop to put onto the Durango. What is this?
So this is the right muffler.
The right
This is
muffler?
a stock OEM muffler for the Dodge Durango. And we took these off to put aftermarket mufflers on it. We went with Black Widow. But since they don't have them, we have to take these back.
So that they match.
Yeah, so they match. We don't have
the
mismatching
mufflers in the back of the truck. All right, let's go take this to the guy. All right, y'all, we made it to the car dealer lot. Wait, come here, follow me. I don't see the truck. Actually, I do see it. So I'm not even sure what city we are in, but it was quite a drive, and I guess we're just gonna have to see what they say. But I think this is the truck right here. We're gonna go ahead and wait for Dad. If we take it for a test drive, I'll do like a small little like inside view, because usually right now with COVID and all that, they let you test drive them by yourself as long as you have like a driver's license, but we'll see. It'll be cool. I love the... Oh, okay. You heard that? It used to be a smoker's car?
Yeah.
Why does it smell like it?
Yeah, you can smell it. Okay, the AC works. It's getting that.
I think it's ticking. I think I can hear it ticking.
Alright.
So we got enough seats.
Actually, I don't
Miles.
feel the AC getting
Me neither. Give it a couple minutes. The miles are 174,000, a little over. Let's see, do we got a tow hitch? Let me see. Oh yeah, we got a tow hitch. I'm not sure. What are these? I think this is to like, oh, that's sick. Okay.
There's a spider.
Spider? Kind of an old car, but it's okay. Body's pretty good. No, don't do that. Go to the other side. Yeah, looks like maybe it used to be a work truck because there's like paint. But that's kind of what we want this truck for. So, cosmetically, I guess you could say it doesn't really like bother us because there was a scratch on the other side, but I think this is a good work truck. Mr. Sergio here has always had luck with cars because this is hot. I'm over here right next to the muffler. He's always had luck with cars. We always look at like miles and how many owners the car has had. Honestly, just because he knows how to take care of them and is always on top of them. Like, we've never had any major fallas with the trucks, but we had this one very bad experience where we bought a used Tahoe from a small dealer. Totally didn't end up working out with that truck because it was just, I think it just wasn't for us, you know, and it ended up being totaled. So from that experience we learned our lesson, and now we're very careful when we are buying a car from a small dealer. We gotta know everything about everything. Okay, so I mean, any lights? Any Christmas lights?
No, but I could hear the valve lifter.
Yeah, you can hear it. Just wants us to be careful. Make sure you have your seatbelts on. Okay, so y'all, we're gonna take the truck for a test drive. What was that? Radio works, the AC doesn't though, huh? Should we keep trying it or no?
Yeah, maybe it'll go cold when it's running.
Yeah, you do. The foundation. Arráncalo. What city are we in?
Glendora?
Oh, okay, so we are in Glendora. Here, give me that. I'll hold it.
Oh my god, I just
So
landed.
for 11,000 is what we're looking at.
Look.
Make sure your windows work. Oh, that's quick.
To the mountain.
Ahead of that. Cool story. Did we used to have one the same year?
The same year, but it wasn't this model. This one has this one. The other one that we had didn't have this. It had the third seat right here.
Yeah, true. So it was 6 seats.
Yeah.
And was it the 4 doors or was it the 2 and a half?
4 doors.
4 doors? Okay. Yeah.
But they opened like this one.
Oh, so like the half one?
To the sides, yeah.
It's been a while that I've been in that truck. But fairly similar. I'm always like touching all the buttons. For you guys. No, it's okay. Maybe it's just from the front. Did that sound like brakes?
I keep seeing Route 66.
Route 66? Isn't that from a movie? Maybe I'm thinking Cars. I watch Disney too much. Drift the truck. Let's see what them tires are made of.
I like it, dude, but the AC has to fucking work. Yo.
I know.
Without AC. I'm already fucking dying.
It is. It's like even hotter with the AC on. It's like it's warm air. The thing is, like
The valve
usually
lifter too doesn't even sound that bad. It sounds like it's only one, so I just have to get that shit addressed ASAP.
And you know what's like the thing? The auto spots always got their mechanic.
Look at McDonald's.
We got our own.
Look at McDonald's.
That's like the Tahoe that we kind of had. But low-key, the first one was like a complete lemon. And then the second one, oh my god, we were blessed with that car because the owner that had it, I guess he worked at like some sort of Tahoe company or something, and he had that car basically in his garage for like oh so long. And the whole entire truck, like paint was so good, interior was clean, all the parts that it came with were intact, like everything. I think he had even added like TVs from that time of day, and I mean this stuff was like hella outdated, probably didn't even make them no more, but it was such a good car. And we recently ran into the person who owns it now because we ended up selling it, huh?
Yeah.
It's like every car has a story. That was a really good car.
Sounds good. Like, you can't even hear them.
No.
Maybe you just need to oil up.
And it's when the AC was on.
Oh, even when you turn it on. I think it's just because it's parking on the oil. The oil's all the way down. It hasn't lubricated the lifters. Yeah, that sounds good, man. And besides that, the other one, you remember that shit used to shake and the fucking needle would dance.
So how do you feel about it, like driving wise? Like it's not shaking?
I like it. I fucking love it. I actually love it. The only thing is this AC needs to get fixed. I'm gonna tell him that. See, the AC no me la llevo.
Yeah. Mr. Sergio has always wanted to have his truck
I feel
come.
big already.
Bien, don Sergio.
Hey, ¿te gusta? Te la vendo.
What happened to our car?
We still have it. We're just gonna get this one for work.
For work?
Yeah. The Durango is still in the shop. We don't know when we're gonna be getting that one back, but for now.
I've been waiting for a month to get my Durango.
Yeah,
Oh, it's only been at the shop for a week.
I know.
A week?
It probably feels like a lifetime to him.
Why does it sound like
you said for my girlfriend? Why did
No.
it sound like that? Why did it sound like you were in the
Oh yeah, Glendora. Oh,
I'm gonna tell them we'll run everything right now, but we're not gonna sign the paperwork until the AC's fixed.
well, how soon can he have that done?
He says it's down the street, so.
Oh,
I don't know.
like they got your Mercedes Benz.
What?
No, hombre. ¿Para qué quieres hacer eso?
When Sergio was a child,
Why
he used to do a lot of mechanic work with his dad. So go ahead and follow and subscribe to our channel. Like this video. Let's go ahead and get the kids' opinion about the truck. What do you think about the truck?
Pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah,
Get off it.
I really want to get it.
We will keep you all updated, and I will keep you guys posted. Go ahead and like this video to see if you guys think this is a good buy. What do y'all think? I think chances are looking very good. He's giving me all the green flags, no red flags here. Let's go ahead and check back in with you guys in a minute. Alright, what's up y'all? So we took a little lunch break. We came to a restaurant called Sabor. Check out the plate. That looks so good.
We got the mole over here.
Mole over
don't
here.
have a
It looks like a
baby
very
soda.
like authentic Mexican.
I don't have a baby
cookies, but
soda.
this looks so good. But update on the truck. You want to tell them?
Yeah, we got one.
We got a truck. It is again 2005 Silverado. We went through with it. It sounded good. They fixed the AC. The AC is so fucking cold, huh?
Yeah, it works good now.
And guys,
I'm
guess
excited for it.
what?
We
Guys.
had it. We had the guy fix it, and
Yeah, it feels like
it was
mine.
good. Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah, we're just waiting on his enchilada.
guys, and guess what? So, you would be wondering, if you started to have this on, and your dad was right next to you, and your mom and your little sister needed to go somewhere,
Lila.
your dad would say,
Come here, please.
your kid would say, oh, I'm too sweating.
It's hot, huh? It's
Yeah,
really hot.
I'm wearing this. And your dad would say, you're wearing that because that's how that makes you sweaty.
Yeah,
And
it's super
when
hot.
your dad would say, after this, we're going to get out of here, wherever you are. You can go out the pool if you're wearing this.
Okay, so another thing, Glendora, and where we are eating at, there's a road that we were driving on. It's called Route 66, and we asked about it. And I guess it's a route that drives from, I think she said it started in Santa Monica and it goes all the way up to, what did she say?
I don't know, but it goes through like Texas.
Actually, yeah, super far. And I thought that was pretty cool, you know, because like all the little stores and stuff here, like the streets, they have the name of it. And I'm like, ooh, that is so cute. And then that's how we found this little restaurant, and I'm just like, it's so cool and cute. So we will check back with you in later after like everything is set and done. We'll do a infamous takeoff from the dealer and take it back home.
And guys,
Check back with you
guess
guys in later. What is up, everybody? Woo woo! We are owners of a brand new, well, not brand new, but brand new to us, 2005 Chevy Silverado. We're gonna pull it out and we rock, paper, scissors on who's gonna take it home, and I won. So it's girls first ride in the new truck. I'm excited. I can't wait. I said my baby has a neat toy to play with, so this for sure gonna be for him. I got my Durango, but